He's a red beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a red beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing another cook on our new Z Grill pellet smoker. Okay, if you guys saw the initial video, we got a brand new pellet smoker. We did a full review on it. We'll put the link down in the description box so you guys can check out that video if you're interested. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some chicken. Okay, we're going to be doing chicken thighs today. I bought a family pack of chicken thighs, removed the skin. Okay, so we got bone-in skinless chicken thighs that we're doing today, and today's recipe is a chili lime hot honey smoked chicken. All right, so no further talking, let's go ahead and get this stuff prepped up and we'll get it in the smoke. All right, guys, so we got our drip easy preparation tub here, and here are our chicken thighs. And like I said, I removed the skin, cut off some of the fat, cleaned these up, rinsed them off so they're good to go. So the first thing we're going to use, we're not going to use our traditional binder like oil or anything. We're going to be using some Louisiana hot sauce. Like I said, this is a chili lime hot honey smoked chicken, so we're going to put some heat on these bad boys. All right, probably would have been better if these had marinated in the hot sauce and stuff overnight. That way you could really got the hot sauce flavor penetrate in, but we just want to use it as a binder because the actual hot honey sauce that we're using today at the end of our cook, I haven't used before, so I don't know what level of heat it comes with, but we're gonna find out. So in this container here is the Oak Ridge Barbecue Gold Edition Smoky Chili Lime All-Purpose Rub. Okay, I'll put a link in the description block so you can check it out. We've had this before. It's got a nice little chili lime flavor to it. And we're gonna just hit all of our chicken thighs with the lime. All right, so we're gonna cover this up. We're gonna let this sit here and get happy while our Z Grill is coming up to temp. All right, so our grill is up to temperature. So we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken thighs on this rack here just for easier handling. All right, let's get these bad boys in the smoke. All right, guys, so we got our chicken on our new Z Grill's 700 D4E pellet grill. Okay, so this is the flagship for Z Grill, the Z Grill's company. Okay, so it's wireless. You can run it by Wi-Fi. You can control it from your phone. It has a 28-pound hopper. So check out our previous video on the whole review. I think you'll like this pellet grill. But I'm interested in seeing how this chicken comes out. We are cooking with Z Grill's oak pellets today. Okay, so hang around and then we'll glaze these bad boys up with some hot honey glaze, and then we'll see how our hot honey chili lime smoked chicken comes out today. Don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so our chicken thighs are almost done. They're about at 145, 150 degrees. So we're getting them up to 165 degrees. So in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and prepare our glaze. Okay, so what we're using today is we're using Berman's hot honey barbecue sauce. I've never used this before, saw this and I said, man, I'm gonna check this out. And we're gonna do these kind of like we did our Chipotle drumsticks. We're gonna put a whole stick of unsalted butter and our barbecue sauce together and make a glaze. I tasted this, all right, it tastes pretty good. It's not overly hot. So I think it in conjunction with the hot sauce and everything will be pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this on the fire. All right, now that our butter is almost melted, we're gonna pour in our barbecue sauce. a little more than half of the jar. We'll mix it up and see how it looks. All right, look like our butter and our sauce is coming together quite nicely. We're gonna pull this off in a few minutes, and we're gonna go and check our chicken. All right, guys, I think we're getting close. Let's check on them. Let's do a little tempting. 163. 166. Okay, so we're close enough to go ahead and glaze and set. All right, let me get the glaze. Go ahead and hit them up. All right, we're gonna let these hang out for another 15 minutes or so. All right, these tempted out at over 165 degrees, so we're gonna go ahead and get them off. All right, get a close-up look at these and we'll have a taste test. All right, we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test. These things look really moist and juicy. They smell fantastic. Oh man, smell it, that smells good. All right, let's have a taste. First of all, I got to say that this chicken is extremely moist, man. A lot of moisture on the board. Chicken is really moist. It's got some great sweetness to it and flavor. I can taste a little bit of the lime, but not a lot of the heat. I think the heat probably got overshadowed by the butter and the sweetness of the barbecue sauce. So I think if I was going to do this again, I might have add something like some cayenne pepper to the rub, or maybe some frag out flavor hot rub. That will probably would give it some kick. And I guess I could still lightly dust this if I wanted this to be really, really hot. But right now, this tastes fantastic. This is going to go well for lunch for the rest of the week, man. Nothing like meal prepping. So, well, that's about it. Once again, we cooked this on our new Z grill. Wait a minute. Let's rewind a little bit. Now I am starting to catch some of that heat from the flavor. It must have been the first piece I had, didn't have a whole lot of heat on it. But now as I'm getting into this chicken, it is definitely has some nice heat to it, okay? So I think it all panned out well. Don't need to add anything else. Let it go for what you know. 700D4E. I'll put a link in the description block if you guys want to check it out. So it is the flagship smoker for Z grills. Okay, so check it out. It's been performing really, really well. This is like the third cook we've had on it, and we'll continue to make more videos and continue to give you our observations on it. Okay, so but until then, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.